I'm Chuck Spahas, Executive Director for the Prosecuting Attorneys Council of Georgia. We provide training and support to prosecutors, law enforcement, and advocates across this state. Our district attorneys and solicitor generals prosecute offenders day in and day out to ensure that justice is served for victims of crime and the Georgia public is protected to the full extent of the law. Throughout the criminal justice process, it is the prosecutor's responsibility to ensure that victims of crime are fully informed and prepared.
Within the Prosecuting Attorneys Council, the Office of Victim Services seeks to improve the treatment of Georgia crime victims by speeding their recovery from criminal acts and guiding them through the criminal justice process. Since 1995, the enactment of the Georgia Crime Victims Bill of Rights has enabled victims of crime to access specific services to help restore their lives impacted by violent offenders. Now, state victim witness personnel are available to guide Georgia crime victims through what can be a complicated and confusing judicial process. The Georgia Crime Victims Bill of Rights provides specific rights to victims of certain crimes. These rights include the following:
the right to reasonable, accurate, and timely notice of any scheduled court proceedings or any changes to such proceedings.
The right to reasonable, accurate, and timely notice of the arrest, release, or escape of the accused.
The right not to be excluded from any scheduled court proceedings except provided by the law.
The right to be heard at any scheduled court proceedings involving the release, plea, or sentencing of the accused.
The right to file a written objection in any parole proceedings involving the accused.
The right to confer with the prosecuting attorney in any criminal prosecution related to the victim.
The right to restitution is provided by law.
The right to proceedings free from unreasonable delay.
The right to be treated fairly and with dignity by all criminal justice agencies involved in the case.